Just like
These are ready to make into guacamole. Hey, holy guacamole. Let me get the last two. They feel so soft and ready. You know avocados. Not ready, not ready, not ready. Spoiled.
I don't have any.
All right, let's do this.
I'm gonna need that.
All right, wait a minute. What about a big glass container?
I
We
just
have
said I
them.
don't have any glass with lids that are big enough.
Oh, no, down here.
Yeah, I don't have any. They're all used.
What about this one here?
There's no container.
No, right
To
there.
cover it.
That one there.
There's no container.
We just wrap it with cellophane.
Yeah, I just hate doing that because it smells like the whole fridge.
Oh, my God. All right, so this is how you do it, ladies and gentlemen.
Well, you want to see if it's good or bad?
That's good.
Should be good.
Totally good. When you pull that little nipple off of it, and look at it. Oh, that's beautiful. Careful. All right, that one's there. Let's keep going.
This one not so good.
I think it's going to be okay.
No,
I mean, it might have a little brown in it.
no, I can feel it.
Yeah, but let's take a look and see.
Yeah.
Don't cut your finger. That's a big knife. Oh, look at that.
No.
Well, that's not bad. I mean, right here's
It could
okay.
be worse. It could be worse.
Yeah, that's, we're getting there.
This has mold on the outside of it.
Oh, that's not good. That one's perfect, except for this part here. All right, we're getting there. Here we go. Here's another one. Oh, what's going on there? All right, here we go. Bam, done. Watch your finger. Oh my God. Here we go. This is like a assembly line. Yep, good. There we go.
What do you think?
Good. That's good. So when you pull that little thing out and you look, this one here we go. I don't think you can get that out of there because it's already popped.
Feels mushy.
This is a little mushy, but I
feels
still
like
think
this.
it's going to be good.
Yeah, I won't
Part
be
of
all,
it.
Won't be all bad.
Part of it's going to be good.
I don't think.
Yeah, that looks good. Yeah, look at that. Oh, yeah. Wow. Careful with that knife. Oh, my God. All right, here we go. Now we got to scoop them. We got another cutting board. And are you going to scoop them onto this cutting board or just smush them in here? Well, I guess we'll find out in a minute. All right, we're going to need some spices. So look what we got. We got all this stuff here. We just scoop them out like that. Just kind of cleaning out the brown spots. But I think it's okay. You could eat those brown spots.
What are you saying?
I said, I think you could eat those brown spots.
Well, you can go in the garbage and get them.
I don't think I'm going to do that. That's fine. It looks good. Okay. All right. Put that here. Let's get another one. Scoopity scoop scoop. Wow. Look at that. All right. And this one here may have some, like, what do you call it? It's not bad. I mean,
Nope.
saved a lot of that one. All right, here we go. So the idea is to chop it up small, and then when you mix it and smush it, it becomes like, easier to turn into guac, right? You could add any of your 2 cents whenever you want. I am not the chef.
Want to get me a can of olives?
Can of olives? Okay. Where am I? The cold ones? Okay, I'll get them. All right, we're going to use 1 giant can of olives for our guacamoles. Set it right here for now. And we're going to scoop them all first. That one's got a little bit of a brown spot on it. So you think that stuff's... Well, that's from the skin, isn't it? I guess it's okay, right? Notice how she scoops
There's no
it.
reason to eat it.
Notice how she scoops it into the shell afterwards. That's your method, off the spoon.
I don't know what you're saying.
Once you've cleaned the brown spot off the spoon, she's gonna clean it off the spoon like that. And then what she's gonna do is get all that good stuff out of there. Oh shit, it had a lot of brown stuff on it. And she takes that brown stuff, she puts it in the skin, like that, and then throws it in the garbage can. I mean, we probably could use those for compost, you know, if we had a garden. We really should make a garden. Yep, there we go, putting her in there. Let's get it closer. I think we're gonna fill this whole thing up. What do you think? Yummy. Yeah, we're just kind of cleaning this mess up. Now that's got a bunch of, should we rinse this? Because that towel has gook on it.
I don't need to rinse it.
Why? The towel has got all kinds of bacteria. I mean, I wiped the floor with that.
You're like so funny.
I mean, I don't think it's a good idea to use it.
Really? That's
On a spot where you're cooking.
Huh.
Yeah, because those things are loaded with bacteria.
Honey,
So
I'm
I would
cutting
use this
onions
one.
right now. I'm cutting onions.
I know, but let's use this one instead.
What do you think?
You just rubbed it with that towel, and that towel's got bacteria on it. That's called cross-contamination, not
This
good.
I just took out this morning is crystal clear clean.
All right,
This is
whatever.
clean.
Go ahead, poison us.
It's clean.
Kill us.
I just wasn't going to waste washing it all.
What we'll do is we'll let the girls eat it first, and we'll watch. And if they're good in 8 hours, then we can have some.
Yeah, I just clean these. I wash these every single day. All the
Yeah, I don't believe it. All right, we're going to cut an onion up now. That's what it looks
I
like.
like red onion, but I don't have it.
Uh-oh, we're using the super chopper, the OXO. It's locked right now. I got to unlock it. The way I do that is turn it, and it pops up. And that's how you do it. Should I just go ahead and do it?
No.
Oh, okay. She's like, yeah, don't do it that way.
I don't need the whole onion either.
I think you could use a great deal of the onion. I like mine oniony and lots of garlic. Or I could always add more garlic, right? See the technique? That is one sharp knife. I mean, super sharp. Oh, she dropped something on the floor. Okay, let's do it, man. Chop it. All right, bam. Woo, mincemeat. Woo, that looked good. Watch your finger, man. That thing is sharp. I cut my hand
It's
on
actually
it.
not that sharp.
I cut my hand on it. All right, she scoops it up. She puts it in. Get it all, man. It's good. All right, choppity chop chop. Should we do it again?
No, because I don't know if I need more.
I think we should put it all in there. That's not that much.
Yeah, that's why it goes a long way. So I think.
I don't think so. Squeeze it. Squeezy wheezy. That's lime, by the way. If you guys don't know what that is, the green ones are lime. The yellow ones are lemons or lemons. Look at her. She's very strong. She's smushing the hell out of that.
I think I can use a whole
She
lime.
murdered that thing. Yeah, I would use a whole lime because I like lime.
I'll start with
Wow.
that.
Okay, now do we have to mix it up at all, or are we gonna put tomatoes? We're doing tomatoes, and oh, look at this. Careful, that is sharp. We are definitely gonna have some olives in it. It's gonna be good.
Henry,
We're having olives.
don't put me in there.
I'm putting it in you. I mean, in there. All right, so now, are they good? I better taste one, just to make sure. Gotta watch out, that's sharp. Yum, 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 yum.
My clean floor.
What are you doing down there?
My kind of clean floor.
Oh, we'll get to it after that. Make sure all the juice is out. All right, let's chop it up. Are we gonna use the chopper? Mm.
trying to use my left hand.
You're doing fantastic. Let me get that out of the way. Okay, we're good. All right, here we go. Oh, yeah.
I actually should have put it in a bowl first.
You should have bowled it. Want me to get a bowl?
So I can mix it.
That's easily mix in a bowl. That's not big enough. Get a biggie. There we go. That's what we're talking about. Oh. And after we mix it up, we could even really leave it in. Well, are you not supposed to leave these in? Oh, look, salt. Salt. Putting salt in there. All right, putting ground pepper. Lots of ground pepper. I like ground pepper. Oh, yeah. Oh, garlic, garlic. Some more salt. Garlic. Squeeze it. More. Okay. All right.
Everyone has to eat it.
So far, so good. So it's always good to wash the tomatoes first. These are organic. And we're going to use a little itsy bitsy. We're not going to cut them up in the cutter. You sure? All right.
Just mush it.
So she's washing them all up. Yeah. We're going to use all those tomatoes.
I don't think I'll use all.
Let's see if they're okay.
I'm going to wash them too.
Good.
I don't think.
You might have to use them all. They're delicious, by the way. All right, now she's going to slice them all in two. We may speed this process up in post. Found a bad one. Down to 4. This is a tedious endeavor, but she will not be deterred. Bam, done. Now I think she's gonna slide them into this thing and try to get the juice out of them. I would keep the juice.
No, the juice just makes the whole thing runny and icky.
Really?
Yeah, makes it just goes bad quicker.
Ooh. All right, now we gotta mix it up. We're gonna need some more, I think some more herbs and spices. We're using a fork to mush it. And as you can see, she is an expert at mushing. Oh yeah.
So it's nice when it has some chunks in it, which is why I cut it like that.
I like it chunky.
All mushy.
I like my guacamole like I like my girls. Chunky.
Yeah. So.
Looking pretty mixed. What do you guys think? All right, we're testing it. We need a chip. All right, here we go. All right, hang on, let me get it. Good.
That tastes good.
Very good.
Done it?
What do you think? Good?
I don't think it needs anything.
Well, I think you should put a bowl to the side and put more garlic in it.
I think that's good.
Very good.
So do I need this one or will it fit in the smaller one?
Maybe we can put it in that glass bowl.
No, it doesn't fit.
Yeah, I'll fit in this. Yeah.
No, it's too small.
What do you mean?
It'll fit in here though.
I don't like plastic.
Hold it. I know, but honey, we eat this in like a day.
Yeah, that means we eat plastic in a day.
No, we don't. They're gonna come home and eat most of it. Get me a spatula out of the drawer behind you.
A spatula out of my drawers. Is this big enough? See, she does waste not, want not. That's her motto. Waste not, want not. But we do turn the AC down to 62.
No, we don't.
Oh, yes, we do.
No, we don't. I've been having it at 74 for like the last year and a half, almost 2 years.
Well,
by the way, just
all
saying.
right, there we go. Bam. Guacamole ready for tonight's nachos. I'm going to heat the nachos up and put cheese on them. And then we're going to put this on them and we're going to put that salad on top. It's going to be awesome. All right, what do you think? Good? Do you like it? I got to try it. I got to try it. I got to try it. There we go.
Mike could use a little salt, but I won't.
Guac of the mole.
It's good, right? Doesn't need anything.
It's really good.
I think it has just amount of bright onion because it gets everything gets overpowered.
Good. Guacamole. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and check out other videos where we eat stuff.